Hello, I'm Jason. I'm part of the team here at the AI Research Center, and we're working on developing new applications for artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are two closely related fields that are rapidly advancing. Essentially, AI refers to the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision-making. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on the development of algorithms that allow machines to learn and improve from experience. One of the most exciting applications of AI and machine learning is in the field of healthcare. By analyzing large amounts of medical data, machines can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and develop more effective treatments. Another area where AI and machine learning are having a major impact is in the field of transportation. Self-driving cars, for example, are being developed using these technologies. Of course, with any new technology, there are concerns about its potential impact on society. That's why it's important for researchers to work closely with policymakers and the public to ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. At the AI Research Center, we're committed to developing AI and machine learning technologies that will benefit society and help solve some of our most pressing problems. We're excited about the potential of these technologies and look forward to seeing what the future holds. Hello, I'm Lisa. I'm part of the team here at the Blockchain Innovation Center, and we're working on developing new applications for blockchain technology. Blockchain technology is a decentralized, secure, and transparent digital ledger that can be used to record transactions, contracts, and other data in a secure and tamper-proof way. It has the potential to revolutionize many different industries, from finance to supply chain management. One of the most well-known applications of blockchain technology is in the world of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But blockchain can be used for much more than just financial transactions. For example, it can be used to create secure, decentralized systems for voting, supply chain management, and even identity verification. One of the key benefits of blockchain technology is its transparency. Because every transaction is recorded on a public ledger, it's very difficult for anyone to manipulate or alter the data. This makes it an ideal solution for industries where transparency and security are critical. Of course, with any new technology, there are also concerns about its potential impact on society. That's why it's important for developers and policymakers to work closely together to ensure that these technologies are developed and used responsibly. At the Blockchain Innovation Center, we're committed to developing blockchain technologies that will benefit society and help solve some of our most pressing problems. We're excited about the potential of blockchain and look forward to seeing what the future holds. We need to make sure that all of these devices are connected and communicating with each other seamlessly. We need to ensure that the data being transmitted is secure and protected from cyber attacks. This is the Internet of Things, or IoT for short. It's the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items that are embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity which enables them to connect and exchange data. IoT has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our daily lives, from home automation to healthcare. It can enable us to live more efficiently and productively while also reducing our environmental impact. In industries like healthcare and manufacturing, IoT can help optimize operations and improve outcomes. For example, sensors can be used to monitor equipment and predict maintenance needs before they become critical, reducing downtime and saving money. However, as with any technology, there are also concerns about privacy and security. It's important to ensure that data being transmitted through IoT devices is encrypted and protected from cyber attacks. At IoT Solutions, we're committed to developing IoT technologies that will benefit society and help solve some of our most pressing problems. We're excited about the potential of IoT and look forward to seeing what the future holds. Virtual and augmented reality are technologies that are transforming the way we interact with the world around us. Virtual reality uses computer-generated environments to create immersive experiences for users. It can transport us to new worlds and allow us to experience things that would otherwise be impossible. Augmented reality, on the other hand, overlays digital information onto the real world. It can enhance our understanding of the world around us and provide us with new insights and perspectives. Both VR and AR have applications in many different fields, from entertainment to education to healthcare. In healthcare, VR can be used for pain management and rehabilitation, while AR can assist in surgical procedures and medical training. In education, VR and AR can provide students with immersive and interactive learning experiences. In industry, AR can be used to improve productivity and safety by providing workers with real-time data and instructions. At our VR lab, we're developing new and exciting VR and AR experiences that will push the boundaries of what's possible. Virtual and augmented reality are technologies that are changing the way we see the world. From healthcare to education to industry, they have the potential to transform many aspects of our lives.